Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You sign into the correct Google account and you confirm two-step verification so you won't be blocked. Once logged in, go straight to Contacts. Google, Com on desktop, this gives full restore tools you need. Export a CSV backup now because you'll revert or compare later. Make sure the device that originally held contacts is nearby and note the last sync time. This helps pick the right restore point. Start with export. It's fast and prevents further data loss. You choose contact settings, undo changes, and pick a restore point based on that last sync time. Once you restore, import the CSV backup into a temporary group so you can compare entries side by side. This prevents accidental overwrites. Use the built-in Merge Duplicates tool after import and apply labels to isolate imported versus existing contacts. Make sure to sync the device after each major change so you can verify the live status and catch any syncing conflicts early. You complete by forcing a sync on your phone or tablet. Open account settings and tap Sync Now, then verify updates in contacts. Google, Com. If sync stalls, clear the contacts or Gmail app cache or remove and re-add the Google account. This refreshes tokens and often fixes conflicts. Once done, confirm labels, photos, and phone numbers match. If contacts still miss, use Google Contacts undo/restore history again or contact support. 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.